Hello everyone, this is Chris Roshnaut 24K on Twitter. Today I'll be unboxing the Huawei Watch GT. This is in black steel and black graphite strap, silicone strap. So here's the watch itself. I actually like that this is a silicone strap and not a leather strap because it should last quite a bit longer. And then if you want to change it out, it's not too expensive also. So here are all the sensors back here for everything that it's doing. What's cool about this watch is that most smartwatches last for a day or two. This can last up to 2 weeks in the mode, a special mode that you can initiate this on. So for 2 weeks it can last. That'd be great. Okay, further inside the box, you get all your accessories, you get all your documentation, and your charger disc. So this is the charging disc right here. And this attaches magnetically to the bottom of the watch. Right here are your 2 connection points. And that is USB Type-C. We like that these smaller devices have that to just keep one cable for charging different things. It's magnetic. Snaps on like that, which is cool. So that's your charging disc. And then your charging cable. Plug that into any computer or any charger with USB Type-A. And then as you can see there, there's a lot of documentation. This is the Huawei Watch GT. This is just an unboxing. We will get to the review at another time. Just check out the watch right here. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. Should handle pretty well. This is Chris Roshnaut 24K on Twitter. Please follow me on Instagram, 24K.